So now let us give a very brief explanation on how to get started with these notebooks. So you can navigate to a folder by clicking on a name that follows a folder symbol. So here let's navigate inside week 0. And there we have multiple notebooks, as you can see by these notebook symbols. Now you can open a notebook by clicking on a name. So let's open the Getting Started notebook by clicking on the name. Now what you see is a notebook consists of text and computer code that can be run, and some nice formulas can also be included. Now what you see is when you click on different parts of the notebook that there's this selection marker appearing. And now what's interesting is if you click on a block of code, you see it's selected over here. Then you can run this block of code simply by pressing Shift Enter. So here I press Shift Enter, and you see by the star that it's running the block. Now you see that it's done because we don't see the star anymore. And for this particular block of code, it produced a slider. Here n equals 5, and it shows n squared equals 25. You see we can change this slider to, for instance, n equals 7, and then we see n squared equals 49. Now we can also click inside a block of code to change it. So for example here x equals 50, so let's change that to 60, and y equals 25, let's change that to minus 20. And now you see here that it calculates x plus y. So if we now run the code again by pressing Shift plus Enter, we will see x plus y equals 40 in this case. Now as a final thing to say, it can also happen that you double click on a block of code, and then what you do is you go into the edit mode of the text. So now you can edit the text. So this might not be so interesting, but it's good to know that you can go back out of this edit mode by again pressing Shift Enter. And here in the top there's also some options which might be interesting to have a look at. Well, thank you very much. I wish you lots of fun, and see you.